60. Good luck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Slight right, 60, slight left, 50. Slowing, slight right and left of the crest to 4 right, keep in, 50, 5 left, 60. Left of the small crest, 70. Turn slight left, through dip, 90. Slowing, slight left to 6 right to the crest, 40, 6 left over bump, 50 bump, and 2 left short into 6 right, and slight left, slowing into crest, and 3 right, don't cut, to 4 left short, into 6 right, long, slowing, into crest, early 2 left, keep in, and 4 right, half long, 100. Turn 4 left, tightens, 140. Make 5 right, tightens, to slight left, 120. Slight left, slight right, slowing, 100. Left entry chicane and 3 right into bridge and 3 left, long, past junction, 30. 4 right, opens, keep in, 100. Slight right of crest, 50. Crest, into 6 left, half long. Slowing and 6 right, tightens into crest, 40, turn, square right, don't cut, and 1 right, tightens into square left, keep in, 30. Slight left, tighten square, to 4 right, 30, crest, 30. 1 left, to 2 right short, don't cut, and 1 left of the crest. And 1 right, long, opens. Into slight left, into 4 right, don't cut. To 4 left short, into sudden 2 right, don't cut. And 3 left, long, opens and tightens. Into 6 right to the crest. Lane 4 left, into 4 right short, slowing, 50, 5 left, short of the crest, into square right, and hairpin left, into 4 right short, 60, 5 right, opens and tightens, and 3 right short, 40, slight left, to 2 right short, and 4 left, keep in, 30, 2 left short, into 4 right, opens and tightens, 1 right, to square left, and small crest, past junction, 60, 3 left short, 30, late, hairpin left, and 2 right, half long, and 6 right, slowing, and slight right to 1 left, opens, and 5 right short, 30, 3 right short, and 5 left of the crest, slowing and slight left to sudden hairpin right, into slight left and crest into 2 right, and hairpin left, opens and tightens to slight right, 80, 4 left short, caution to 4 right, to 1 left, and 2 right, tightens to 2 left sharp, into 4 right, half long, 40, 4 left short, slowing and 4 right, sudden 1 left, and 2 right short, 30, slight right, to 3 left sharp, into 6 right, opens and tightens, into slight left, into sudden 1 right, long, opens and tightens, into sudden hairpin left, don't cut, 80, slowing, right of the crest, into turn square right, into 6 left, into slight right, and 1 left, and 6 left, to slight right, 30, 8 square right, and late hairpin left, 50, 2 right sharp, and slight left, tightens, sudden 1 left, to square right, half long, and 3 left, tightens, and 1 right, 40, late 2 left, and 6 left, into 2 right short, into 2 left, and late 4 right, 30, crest, sudden 2 right, opens, 40, 4 right crest, and 3 left, half long, 2 right short of a crest to 6 left, 50. Left of a crest, finish, and 4 left to stop. Okay, that's a 6 minute 24.4.